Good day. We are the Group 12 and we will discuss about seed drying, processing, and handling. So for introduction, seed drying plays a vital role in post-harvest, especially in seed processing. It ensures that seeds have a long shelf life, seed quality, and seed viability. So without proper drying, seeds may be deteriorate quickly, uh, prone to diseases and molds. So what is seed drying? Seed drying is a process of reducing seed moisture content to a safe level for storage. Usually the storage that is required is 8 to 12%. So depending on the seed type, it's either orthodox seeds, recalcitrant seed, and intermediate seed. So what is the importance of seed drying? So it prevents microbial growth and spoilage, maintains seed germination capacity, reduces risk of seed-borne diseases, and lastly, it ensures a longer shelf life for seed storage. So what is the types of drying? So first we have the sun dry. It is the traditional way and it is cost effective and it depends on the weather conditions. So also it is the direct heat of the sun through the seeds. Next is the air or the natural drying. So it is done in a well-ventilated areas under shade. Lastly, we have the mechanical drying. So in this type, as we use this machine like seed dryers, and it is suitable for large scales.
So good day everyone, my name is Lady Jane Garcia and I'll be presenting the factors affecting seed drying and seed processing requirements. So the factors affecting seed drying, so there are four major factors that affect how seeds are dried. So first is the moisture content. Seeds with higher moisture take longer to dry. For example, the corn, it often contain around 30% moisture, so it needs an extended drying time to avoid spoilage. So second is the weather conditions. So high humidity or rainy weather slows down drying. So of course, like for example, sa to ang mga small scale farmer nga nagsalig lang taog sa sun drying, so maglisod gyud ta kung ting-ulan, unlike atong mga naanay mga machines. So this is especially a challenge in tropical areas during wet season. So third is the drying method. So sun drying is common but less consistent. So mechanical drying, while more expensive, gives better control and protects seed quality. So kaning sun drying is common gid kay sa to alabi na dire sa Philippines. But mechanical drying is better pero mahal, and most of the farmers here is dili nila afford. So last is the seed type. So different seeds require different care. Of course, for instance, oil seeds like sesame seeds are sensitive to high temperatures and need gentler drying to prevent damage to the oil content. So every seed lahi-lahi gid siya og pag-handle or pag-care basta panahon sa pag-dry. So next is seed processing requirements. So after drying, seeds go through processing and several factors need to be considered. So first is the seed uniformity. So if seeds vary too much in size or shape, cleaning and grading machines may work properly. So naapod tayo pag manual o mechanical sa pag-grade o sa pag-clean sa ato ang seeds para atong ma-ensure ang seed uniformity. And then second is the impurity type. The kind of impurities present matters. For example, light shaft or stones need specific machines such as air screen cleaners. So naamang goy mga types sa impurities no, like biological impurities, physical, and mga chemical impurities, like atong sa biological na mga insects dito or mga pathogens, and then sa physical is na dito ang mga straw pa o mga stones. So need pud na siya i-clean, so need tag machines or pwede pud manual nga para atong ma-ensure pud ang impurity sa atong seeds. And next is the moisture level. So seeds must be dry before processing. So of course, need gid nato siya i-dry para dili mag-contaminate o di magpilit-pilit ang seeds. Wet seeds are more likely to break during cleaning. So, mao nang need gid siya i-dry daan. So, seed fragility. So, fragile seed like mung bean need gentler handling to prevent damage. So, kanang mga humukon nga seeds nga dali ra mga buak unlike sa mais. Siya po siyang i-considered as a requirement sa seed processing, ang ka-fragile sa seed. So, next is the handling requirement in seed processing. So, now, let's talk about the handling requirements in seed processing. So, there are 4 key aspects to ensure seeds remain viable and high quality. So, first is the packaging. So, seeds must be protected from pests and moisture. For example, laminated or vacuum-sealed bags are often used because they prevent insects and humidity from getting in, especially during the storage or shipping. So, ang packaging no importante japon kini siya sa pag-process or during the transportation para ma-avoid ang mga damages sa atong seed. So next is the storage conditions. So seed should be kept in cool, dry, and pest-free environment. So think of controlled warehouse with good ventilation and no sunlight. So kaning storage condition no, napoy uban nga like kanang mga gagmay lang nga farmers nga butangan nila og kahoy daan ay nila ipangbutang ang tong mga sako nga sa pag-store para dili kayo mag-moist ang ilalom para dili madaot. So next is transport. So during transport, seed should be cautioned and keep dry. So dapat ipalayo na to siya sa mga basa para di siya mag-spoil. If they're exposed to moisture or too much movement, they might get crushed or spoil. So need yun na to i-protect atong seeds during transport or ato silang i-provide a sakto tong ganiha nga good packaging mao jud na makatabang. Okay. Next is the duration. So the longer you need to store seeds, the stricter the control must be. For the short-term storage, regular bags may suffice, but for long storage, like several months, you need a temperature-controlled rooms or sealed containers. So, para di jud madaot ang atoang seeds. Labi na sa katong mga dugay pagamiton nga seeds. So, that is all for my report. Thank you.
Next is steps in seed processing, pictures and equipment in seed drying, processing and handling. So, definition and importance of seed processing. So, seed processing encompasses a series of operations designed to prepare seeds for planting and ensure their quality and viability. It is a critical step in agriculture that directly influences crop yield and quality. So, involve diri ang cleaning, drying, grading, and packaging to meet industry standards. And for the steps in processing, there's a primary steps, which is seed processing is workflow includes several. So which is cleaning to remove impurities, drying to optimal moisture levels, and grading is to classify seeds by size and quality. And also there's treating seeds for protection against pests and diseases, and packaging to maintain quality. And also there's sequential flow, which is each step is interconnected. Cleaning precedes drying to ensure only clean seeds are dried, and grading follows to separate seeds into quality groups. Understanding this sequence is essential for effective processing management. And for the types of dryers, which is seed dryers range from simple natural air dryer to complex mechanical drying systems such as fluidized bed dryers and rotary dryers. So as you see as this picture, um, but it depends on seed type, volume, and required drying speeds. And also they are the key features and maintenance, which is effective dryers provide uniform airflow and temperature control to protect seed integrity. And for the seed processing, cleaning, and grading. So cleaning process is it involves the remove foreign materials like dust, chalk, stones, and broken seeds using um, these machines, which is aspirators and gravity tables. So this prepares seeds for accurate grading and improves final product purity. And also we have a grading techniques, which is seeds by size, weight, and density, typically using screens and gravity separators, and also proper grading ensures uniform seeds batches, improving planting consistency and crop emergence. And also the equipment in seed processing, which is cleaning equipment and grading and sorting machines. So the common clipping machines include aspirators, distoners, vibrating screens, and magnetic separators. So these are the removing of impurities and contaminants. So grading and sorting machine, which is gravity separators and rotary graders. So these machines help classify seeds accurately and also advance incorporate automation and sensors to enhance precision and throughput.
So hi everyone, I want to report you about seed handling. So seed handling refers to all activities in managing seeds after harvest to ensure that they remain viable, clean, and undamaged before planting or storage. So they include the collection, cleaning, drying, grading, treatment, packaging, o ang storage. So na yung ginagamit diri para sa seed handling is kaning ang belt conveyors o ang seed elevators. So ang belt conveyors isa siya ka moving belt used to transport seeds or grains from one point to another over short to medium distance with minimal seed damage. And also kaning sa seed elevators isa siya ka vertical incline equipment used nga maglift sa seeds to a higher levels for storage, processing, or loading, helping move seeds vertically without excessive damage. Naapon niya diri ang atong leveling sa seed handling. So first is kaning crop name and variety. The type of crop and specific strain or developed variety. Also naapon diri ang lot number. Isa siya ka code assigned sa batch of seeds for identification o sa tracking. Also kaning germination percentage, proportion siya sa seeds expected to para mag-expect ag successfully sprout under ideal condition. So next is kaning sa date of testing. When the seeds were last tested for quality of germination. Then sa moisture content, the percentage of water and seeds which affects storage life and quality. Then treatment details is information on any chemical or biological treatment applied to the seeds. Example ani is kaning fungicide or insecticide.